how to change the extra dim intensity to make the screen extra dim, dark and bright on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, scroll down and click on Vision Enhancement. After click on Vision Enhancement, you will see extra dim is here. Click on extra dim, you will see intensity is here. If you want to change extra dim, you will see. If you want to change extra dim, dark and bright, you will see. After change intensity, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change the extra dim intensity to make the screen extra dark and bright on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.